Hello, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Welcome on my channel Frontist. What's the one French greeting everyone must know? Can you guess? Alright, I'll give you a hint. It's considered as a polite form of expression. It brings a smile to the other person. It's a common and the first greeting you speak when you meet someone. Guess. Okay, time's up. The most common and one French greeting everyone must use as a tourist or as a student when in France or in a French speaking province is bonjour. Or even if you have no plans on visiting France, then also it's good to know such a word for general knowledge. So, bonjour is not just any French word confined within the boundaries of France or French provinces, but it's also known as, or I would say, counted among the most famous greetings in the world. So, bonjour is written like this in the phonetic form. Now, those of you who have watched or seen my L'Alphabet Français or the French alphabets video would find it easy here to understand the pronunciation written with the help of French phonetic symbols. Now, what are phonetics? The phonetics are a set of symbols, basically modified letters, which are made on a standard global level for learners or students who are learning a second, third, fourth, or a new language. Each phonetic symbol represents a sound, so you see how easy it is to know a pronunciation if you know about a phonetic symbol. And also, it is so unique in itself. For example, this Z type looking symbol is used in the French word bonjour as well as it is seen in the English word as television. Now, this Z looking type phonetic symbol, as you can see, this is not J of English. That is, it doesn't give the J sound as in the English word J, nor does it gives the Z sound of the Z in English. This is somewhere in between. This particular phonetic symbol gives the sound which can be found in the English words such as pleasure, measure, casual, television, etc. Alright, I hope it's clear. Now, bonjour, répétez après moi, bonjour. There's a nasal sound in bonjour. So, bonjour is made up of two words, bon, bon, which means good, and jour, jour, which means day. So, bonjour together means good day. Now, good is an adjective and day is a noun, and together good day becomes strong expression which shows some emotions. It is followed by an exclamation mark. So, bonjour means good day. Now, besides meaning good day, bonjour also is used to mean and say other greetings or phrases as well, such as hello, good morning, good afternoon, and even how do you do. Now, those who are introduced to the French language lately and have taken few introductory classes at your institute must have learnt by now that how do you do or how are you is comment ça va or comment allez-vous in French. But bonjour also sometimes in an informal way, mainly among youngsters, might also be used to sum up both hello and how do you do together. Unlike English, where good day is a formal greeting and hello is an informal greeting, And good day and hello are clearly two different words or phrases. Bonjour, on the other hand, is the one word, the one standard form of expression which equivalently can be used in formal sense as for good day or in an informal sense as simply as hello. Now, note here, some of you might have a doubt. Hello is also salut in French and it's also an informal greeting, but I'll talk about it later in some another video. All right, so bonjour also means hello. So you can use bonjour freely without giving a second thought among your close friends, colleagues, classmates, or even to a stranger in France. For example, try it with a taxi driver, to a hotel's receptionist, freely say it to a chef at a restaurant, with anyone. Use it freely in France. You meet someone in France, just say bonjour and they will be happy to hear you and help you. Now, you must have seen many foreigners or foreign tourists in India greeting us Indians with namaste. Well, namaste is a standardized version of Indian greeting which foreigners know about in general. However, India, being a country of diverse culture, has many other languages with their own greetings, like Sat Sri Akal in Punjabi, Adab in Urdu, etc. So, how do you feel when a foreigner meets you and greets you in your language? Do you feel good? Do you feel proud of your language? Yes, of course. You feel good realizing that a foreigner has taken effort to learn a word of your language. Similarly, French people also do feel good if you say just bonjour instead of hello. It gives an indication right away that you care. Just speak this word bonjour with a smile, and French will be happy to help you. And also, seeing your effort in trying to speak in their language, they will in return give their effort to try to speak in English as well. So, a simple word like bonjour or any word in the native language of the country that you are visiting would surely sound friendly to a native stranger and they would feel good. So that was the one French greeting you must know, and it's called as bonjour. Alright, I hope you found today's lesson helpful. Please subscribe if you like this video. Hit the thumbs up button if you do like this video. It will encourage me to make more such videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, bonjour, and au revoir.